Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Osceola County in east central Florida until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Lake Marion. 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenansville and Lake Marion. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.